Hello everybody, today I want to talk with you about how you can download Amazon Prime in your smart TV LG Webos. The first things, sorry for my English, I know that not this the best, but I want trying to get more experience with speak with other person. I don't have other person with speak, but I have this hobby, make videos. Okay, now, how you can download Amazon Prime? Okay, you need find in your TV LG Content Store or your app store. Okay, in my smart TV LG Web OS is this. Okay, now the color is pink. I don't know, and your name is LG Content Store. Open this app and find your Amazon Prime. You can go the shares. Okay, the shares bar put here and write is awful, it's really awful write with this, but it's work. Okay, amazon. Okay, now wait, I wait. Yeah, it's here. Prime Video. Find the app Prime Video, open and download your app. In my case, the word is update, actualización en español, update in English, because I already has this app, okay, in my LG TV. Now, download the app, and this is all. Maybe if you don't have a Prime Video in your TV, what is the other solution? Maybe you have two solutions. The first solution is duplicate your screen, example, your table, the Apple, tablet or laptop or mobile with this and HDMI cable, example like this, and duplicate your screen. Okay, with this you can see I duplicate my PC computer screen here and put Netflix or whatever. The other way is use your Roku TV. This is a launcher. You can get all streaming apps with this, and this is very easier and cheaper. Example, Netflix, Disney, Apple TV, Prime Video, SPN, Paramount, whatever, doesn't matter. It's cheaper, and you just need put this in back TV and open your app with the control, remote control. Okay, this is all for this video. Have a good day. See you later.